In this video, I'll go over the niche marketing advantages and disadvantages you want to be aware of. Hey, it's Dexx Williams from Unique Profit Systems Incorporated, and for over a decade, I've helped small business owners to increase their sales by 30% or more in as little as 30 days. And one thing that I've noticed when it comes to implementing effective and profitable marketing campaigns is that many business owners sabotage their efforts by creating generic sales messages in an attempt to appeal to as many people as possible. Now, why is this important? Well, because if someone has a problem, a challenge, or desired end result, they are more hypersensitive to any marketing messages that speak directly to what their subconscious is already working towards. Have you ever noticed in a grocery store or supermarket that even simple household goods have dozens of different variations? Take toothpaste, for example. There's some for whitening teeth, there's some for gum sensitivity, others for gingivitis, etc. Imagine if you just walked down an aisle and there were just boxes that said toothpaste on them. It would be simpler, but the major corporations learned long ago that sales go up when people find a product that speaks to their specific need. So how do you take advantage of this? Well, the first step is to identify what problems or challenges each one of your products and services provides a customer who uses them. How do they get results, and what does that do for the current situation of the customer in terms of improving what they are dealing with? Step 2, create a list of the types of individuals who would benefit the most by using each of those products and services to solve a problem or achieve a desired end result. Not everyone is the same. There are certain groups who need your products and services more than others. That is why it's so important to identify them as your ideal target market for any messages that you have to promote those products and services. Step 3, focus all of your sales messages around speaking to those exact types of individuals so that they know you have a specific solution to their exact needs. If they feel that you're talking to them, you will get a much better response from your sales marketing efforts. Now that we've covered niche marketing advantages and disadvantages, which niche group do you plan to help with your products and services? Post your answer below and let me know. Click the like button and subscribe to get notified on future videos for greatly increasing your sales and marketing results. And be sure to watch my previous video on how to promote your business locally to attract buyers in 2020.